Come test drive the 2020 Bolt EV. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.